Good morning. It's Margaret Fetty at the University of Sewing, and it's Facebook Live, guys. And Rachel's here with me. Thank you for all your hard work this week.
Happy Saturday.
And guess what it is?
I know what it is.
It is the Run Run Rudolf shop hop. And we are not staying on long today because we already have customers in the shop. Where are you? I haven't seen you yet, so come on, visit. Yes, yesterday's weather got kind of icky towards the end of the day.
Yeah.
I saw a couple of big limbs or trees down in some places, so I hope you guys are all doing okay. But I don't think anything was very bad in comparison to what they got hit with in the southeast. I'm sorry about that, guys. So hope everybody, if you have family or friends in that part of the world, we hope you're all okay. We have a giveaway today, so let's get going on that. Rachel, why don't you tell us what our giveaway is?
Well, in honor of our Run Run Rudolf shop hop, we're all getting ready for Christmas. I know, right? It kind of sends a stake through your heart to say that, but it's true. And wouldn't
only
you
if you're
just
a vampire.
love? I guess only if you're a vampire. Yeah, I realize that. Wouldn't you just love this gorgeous panel that can either be sewn as is or be turned into 4 little placemats for your holiday table? How adorable. Or you can even cut them up and turn them and put sashing in between them and turn them into a cute little quilt. There are so many possibilities with this panel, and it's so adorable. I think it's called Forest Friends.
No, that's really cute. Yes, I'm sure that's probably exactly what it's called.
Look at
it's
how
very cute.
adorable this is. Doesn't it just get you feeling all cozy?
Now, I want you guys to know, if you want this, I believe we still have some of this panel available.
I think that we actually still do have this panel available.
If that's something that you are interested in, we do have some.
If you would like to be entered into our drawing to win this adorable little cuddly Forest Friends panel, which actually also is very soft. Oh, it feels great. You go ahead, if you're watching us on Facebook Live, go ahead and hit that share button and put in the comments that you shared it. If you do it in the next 24 hours on Facebook, you'll be entered into our drawing to win the Forest Friends panel that we have here.
Okay, guys, we have so much going on this weekend. Don't forget the 25% off trade-in sale on Bernina's is ending today. It's ending today. So if you haven't made it in with your trade-in, it's a great day to do that. Rachel and I will be here. We will get you all squared away, and it will be wonderful fun.
We have extended hours today. So if you're thinking, oh man, I have to go into my closet and I have to dig out that sewing machine that I've had for 15 years that I haven't used, we have extended hours, so you have time to do that. So please do that. Oh yes, we have 2 classes.
We have some classes coming up, and I want to make sure that you guys get signed up if you have not. If you have not done it, the Quilt in the Hoop Squares and Triangles is happening on Tuesday, October 1st. We have Embroidery Fun Club. Embroidery Fun Club, guys, it doesn't matter what kind of sewing machine you have. If you have an embroidery machine, you can get your fun club going on here. So you get a free design with that, and you get to come to that and learn new techniques. Alice has always got something really interesting, and they're a lot of fun.
Cutest little things.
Oh my gosh, they're so much fun.
Greatest little things.
And I don't ever get to go, so you go. Make sure you go.
All right, tell us about it.
Yes, it's really going to be a good time. The following week, we have Bernina software, building blocks. If you have got the Bernina V9 software, you really need to know how to use it. It's a lot of very powerful things to do digitizing, and to be able now with the 990 and the 790 Pro, you can just take and send your designs right to the machine via your Wi-Fi instead of having to put them on a flash drive and move them over and put it on flash drive. You can do it just computer, boom, it goes.
Connects right up.
So we are going to have an organic free motion
I know my
quilting.
class is coming up. Organic free motion quilting on your domestic. You guys know that I'm a long armor, but I started out on my domestic machine, just like fiddling around and sewing on my machine. And I'm going to teach you guys some strategies for creating designs on your regular old sewing machine so that you can create these really beautiful free motion designs. So
and this is a great way, if you have a BSR, to incorporate your BSR into this. If you have not taken a BSR class, this would be a great time to just pop in here with Rachel's class on Tuesday, October the 8th. It starts at 10:30 a.m.
That's
Don't
right.
forget about that. Okay, we have a sewing demystified class coming up on Saturday, October 12th. Those classes are normally in the week, during the week in the evenings. This is an opportunity for you to get some young person that you know, or maybe you have a girlfriend who keeps on saying, I want to know if I want to learn how to sew.
Or
Perfect
maybe
time.
you just haven't touched your sewing machine in 30 years and you're like, I don't really know if I remember how to do this.
Perfect time. All
Come
the
and learn.
machines are supplied. Everything you need for this is supplied. So if you want to learn how to sew on a sewing machine, this will be it. So really great job. Okay, guys, those are classes coming up. Don't forget, today, if you come in for the shop hop, you are going to go ahead and get a 20% discount on any pattern book, or I keep on
Notion.
doing Notion. Thank you. I always leave off one of them. Pattern book or Notion, 20% off for passport holders. Part of the proceeds for the passports, we've got a comeback coupon for the month of October. And you also are going to get $5 off of any Christmas project at the stop where you go to. Each one of us, every different shop has different projects. We have 3. So you have 3 different ones you can get the discount
We're
on.
overachievers, you guys. We decided to design 3 different projects for our shop hoppers.
It has
that are
been
$5 off.
Yes, it's been a really good deal. So there's some really beautiful things here, and I hope you will want to go ahead and do that. All right, as I said, this one was going to be short. We've got customers in the shop, and I don't want to neglect them. So please come in. Today we are open unusually long hours. We are here from 9 until 6. Normally we close at 5 on Saturdays, but not today. We are going to be open till 6. So come and join us. Get out of this crummy weather and come and join us. We're much more fun.
Make yourself so happy. We actually had a woman come in yesterday and she was just like, I need to get my Christmas shopping done early. I'm going to buy a serger. And we went, okay. I think that's a great use of your time on this crummy gray day.
Hey.
Come in and get some Christmas shopping done early. And get some for yourself.
Yes, and I'll tell you right now, the B64 sergers are only $9.99. Air threading, super simple to use, and you will love it.
It's a hot buy, you guys. A hot buy.
All right.
Bernina makes us say that. And don't forget to hit that share button and put in the comments that you shared so that you can be entered into our drawing to win this. And this is a good size panel, too. This is a nice, good size panel.
It's a 36-inch panel, so it's a full-size panel.
That's fantastic.
Very fun, guys. All right, everybody, have a wonderful Saturday. And next week on Friday, we will be back for our normal length Facebook Lives. And we will.
I don't know, because it's going to be the quilt show.
Oh, no, it probably
No,
won't be short
I don't think.
again. Oh, my goodness. I forgot. Quilt show. No, the next this week and the next 2 weeks, Saturdays are going to be a little shorter.
They're going to be crazy.
But Friday will be short next week. Saturday will be short. And then the following week, I'm at Hamilton County speaking at the Hamilton County sewing and quilting seminar, I believe is what they called it. Could we make the name more difficult? Anyway, we will be there. And if you are from that neck of the woods, we will love seeing you if you want to come. That's a really cool show.
It looks like it's going to be really cool. I'm going to be here working, so I'm not going to be able to see it. But
no. And so we have Rachel for all 3 weeks coming up. Actually,
you're going to have me forever.
We'll have her here on Saturdays for a little bit, so we appreciate it greatly. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining us here at Facebook Live, and we will see you next week.